Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find Ethernet password on Windows 11. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're looking for a way to find your password for your Wi-Fi through your Ethernet cable or your Ethernet connection here, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, typically in a computer, especially for laptops or desktops that has Wi-Fi capabilities, your connection is dependent on what type of connection that you're accessing right now. So just to give you some idea, this is the network connections that you can find inside your PC. Now, typically, again, like what I said, you can connect to your internet using a network cable like this one or through your Wi-Fi. Now, what's the relation between Ethernet cables and Wi-Fi here? Well, the thing with Wi-Fi and Ethernet cables is they are separate connections. So, Ethernet is a physical connection, while Wi-Fi is over a wireless connection. So if you're going to think about it, it's a whole different type of connection, though the access point is pretty much the same thing. So what I'm saying here is, if you're trying to look, or if you're trying to see the Wi-Fi connection through an Ethernet cable, well, to tell you the truth and to be honest here, well, it will not be possible. So Ethernet connections are a different thing. But the great thing about this one is, if you're already connected to a Wi-Fi connection, well, you can actually find your Wi-Fi password if you are, again, already connected. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just open up your search here. You want to go and just go to your settings, and you want to go ahead and look for the following section. It's going to be the network and internet section. You want to go to your Wi-Fi, go and click on Wi-Fi, click on manage no networks, and you want to look for the connection that you want to manage. So for example, I want to see the Wi-Fi password for this connection here. Go and click on it, and you should see the Wi-Fi network password here. Go and click on show, and you should be able to see the password for that connection. So yeah, so basically you can go and just enter this into whatever device that you want to enter your password on, but that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.